chop, jolly, you understand me? Yes, rice overboiled, but yeah, I think you can carry it now and pour in the basket. Add more water. We'll drop it, add more water, and then that one will be for fried rice. Are you seeing the party jollof? Yeah, baby, party jollof. Yeah. Okay. Can you carry it? There is a boy that will use your rice. Yes, love. Yes, so this is Madam Peku Africa, all the way from Port-Harcourt. But right now, we are speaking here in Abuja. Yes. Yes. So now, Mama Peku is not just used to selling new Banana Island for 6 million naira per plot only. I also know how to do some orishi, understand? So don't forget, say you supposed to call me on 0903429651 to come and get your own plot of new Banana Island. The price now 6 million per plot. If you delay, you go enter 10 million. Because Tom Estate is now 10 million naira. You know how far now, how they do it. And Prime Rose Court is now 8.5 million. That one gets you a vote. But new Banana Island get deed of conveyance. You dey hear? So I dey wait for you. When this rice done, I know say they enter your eye. I go give you your part. Just holla me or send me WhatsApp. I dey wait for you. Can you see our finished product? Aww. It's not just looking very beautiful, it's also very tasty. Am I lying? Okay, we are waiting for salad so we can cover this beautiful package. Aww. Don't worry yourself.